Delaney been in the Twins organization. And there's the strike. 3-1. And the Rays claimed him off waivers this past
Can you
January.
turn down a little bit?